How to activate your Halifax credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Halifax credit card online. To do so, first of all, you will need to go to the official website of Halifax. For that, open any web browser on your device and at the search bar you can type halifax.com. Now press the enter to search it. Soon after doing that, you will be taken to the official website of Halifax. Here, once you reach to this page, here at the left side you will find Explore World Elite Mastercard button. Click on this button, and once you do that, wait for a while until you find this section on your screen. After doing that, on this page at the top you will find some options, and here you will need to click on this Activate Your Card option. Click on this Activate Your Card. And after doing that, now you will be taken to this page. Here, scroll down and click on this Activate Your Credit Card button. Click on it. Now you need to enter your card details. At the top here you can see some steps given below to activate your card. Like if you have a main and additional card on your account, you can just activate your main card and then your additional card will be automatically activated. And if you don't want to activate any of your cards, you can call them on this number. Now at the bottom you will find this interface where in this first box it says credit card number. Here you will need to enter your 16-digit card number. Make sure you enter it correctly. After entering your card number, just below it you will need to add your date of birth here. Click on these little boxes and select your date of birth, month and year. Once you have selected them, also you need to select the expiry date of your card. You can find this date on your card. Do check it, and after checking, enter it in this box. Now after entering all the information in this box, you need to click on this activate button at the right side and confirm the activation. Then you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your card is now active and is ready to use. So in this way you can activate your Halifax credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.